Drivable Grass. A revolutionary new concrete pavement system that is both permeable and plantable. Made with wet cast, low moisture absorption concrete, Drivable Grass is designed to allow for infiltration and root penetration. The unique cast-inside engineered polymer grid allows the pavement to flex and conform to irregular ground surfaces, while still providing the structural support needed for daily use. And unlike traditional concrete, Drivable Grass maintains its load-bearing capabilities even when saturated. Plus, the design eliminates sharp edges and is less likely to crack or break compared to traditional concrete. Upgrade your pavement with Drivable Grass, the ultimate in sustainable and durable pavement solutions. CanadaDocks. The CanadaDocks 14-foot by 16-foot complete hexagon floating dock kit is a truly spectacular addition to any dock. It will be the focal point of your waterfront and the perfect place to entertain your friends and family this summer. This kit comes with everything you need to build a 14-foot by 16-foot hexagon dock, including the floating drums, dock sections, decking, and all the hardware. Once completed, it will have a spacious decking area of 15.5 square meters, which is more than enough room to comfortably fit 10 Muskoka chairs. Imagine relaxing on your new dock with a cold drink in hand, enjoying the beautiful view and the sound of the water. In addition to its impressive size, the hexagon shape of this dock kit also adds an element of design to your waterfront. The unique shape and the premium quality materials used in its construction ensure that this dock will stand out and be the envy of your neighborhood. But that's not all. With our Dock Builder application, you have the flexibility to configure and customize this section and many more to build your ideal dock. You can add extra sections, or even customize it to fit your specific needs. ISOLHOUSE Insulation of Cavity Walls. Insulating your home is a smart and simple way to address the problems of rising energy costs and changing weather patterns. Without proper insulation, heat can escape through the walls of an older home, leading to significant heat loss of up to 25%. This results in higher energy bills, as well as discomfort in the winter and summer. Insulating your home can help you save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and increase the overall comfort of your home. By insulating your attic, walls, and floors, you can prevent heat loss and keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It also helps in reducing drafts and cold spots in your home. Not only that, but it also improves the energy efficiency of your home, which can increase the value of your property. SCG Concrete Fabric. A revolutionary new class of construction material, SCG Concrete Textiles or concrete canvas, is made from a combination of cement and fiber technology. This innovative material can be used for a variety of applications, including channel lining, slope stabilization, and the refurbishment of existing concrete structures that have been damaged by environmental degradation or cracking. This unique material is easy to install and provides an effective and durable solution for a wide range of construction projects. It has been proven to be more cost-effective and efficient than traditional construction materials, making it a game changer in the industry. XblocPlus. XblocPlus has higher hydraulic stability compared to Xblock, but the design is still based on a stability coefficient of KD equals 12. As a result, an XblocPlus structure is a more cost-effective option that offers better protection against future wave conditions. The advantage of increased resilience parameters is that the XblocPlus layer does not need to be replaced by larger blocks if waves higher than the design wave occur in the future. An XblocPlus armored structure can be further reinforced if necessary by the addition of extra layers of blocks to reduce wave overtopping, while still maintaining sufficient structural stability. This makes XblocPlus a versatile and cost-effective solution for coastal protection projects. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.